Look, listen, repeat. Nouns, person, place, thing. Fruit, fruit. Apple, apples. Avocado, avocados. Banana, bananas. Pear, pears. Blueberry, blueberries. Strawberry, strawberries. Grape, grapes. Orange, oranges. Grapefruit, grapefruits. Tangerine, tangerines. Cherry, cherries. Lemon, lemons. Kiwi, kiwis. Cantaloupe, cantaloupes. Lunch, lunches. Color, colors. Look, listen, repeat. Pronouns, he, she, we. I, you. He, she. We, they. Look, listen, repeat. Adjectives. Red, green. Blue, yellow. Purple, orange. Brown, pink. Black, white. Tropical. Look, listen, repeat. Verbs, active, state. Eat. Like. Peel. Am, is, are. Am not, is not, are not. I am. You are. He is. She is. We are. They are. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. We are not. We aren't. They are not. They aren't. Do, does. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Exclamations and articles. Yes, no. A, one, an, one, a, e, I, o, u. A banana, an apple. A pear, a banana, a strawberry. An apple, an orange, an avocado. Look, listen, repeat. An orange is a tropical fruit. A coconut is a tropical fruit. Apples are red, green, or yellow. Oranges and tangerines are orange. Grapes are purple, red, or green. Blueberries are blue. Coconuts are brown. I like red strawberries. He likes green apples. She likes purple grapes. We like pink grapefruit. They like yellow bananas. I peel an apple. You peel a banana. She peels an orange. He peels a pear. We peel grapefruits. They peel kiwis. I eat fruit for lunch. He eats an avocado for lunch. She eats blueberries for lunch. We eat grapes for lunch. They eat cherries for lunch. Questions and answers. Are coconuts brown? Yes, they are. Are cantaloupes purple? No, they aren't. Do they eat cherries? Yes, they do. Do you like avocados? No, I don't. Does she eat fruit for lunch? Yes, she does. Does he eat pears for lunch? Yes, he does.